Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Facebook group, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a Facebook group cover in Canva for free? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Facebook group cover anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having a Facebook group is a great way to get new leads. And by creating a Facebook group cover, it makes it look a lot more legit and professional. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Facebook group cover, you want to go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Facebook group cover. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Canva template and then click on see all. All right, so here are all of the Facebook group cover templates. You can kind of scroll through. Now, most of them are free. However, some of them do have a cost associated with them if they have a crown like this one right here, or if there's a dollar sign on the bottom right of it. However, if you want to go ahead and just work through the free Facebook group covers, go ahead and scroll to the top and click on all filters. And then here on the left on the menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on free. All right, now we want to click on apply. Okay, so now it's only showing the free Facebook group covers. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one fits with your brand. So this one looks pretty cool right here. So let me go ahead and click on there. And the neat thing about Canva is when you click on one, it's going to show you others that are related. So sometimes you can even find a better one if you scroll down here and look. So let's see, or actually this one looks pretty cool right here. All right, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And all you want to do is go ahead and click on customize this template. All right, so now we are in the editor for the Facebook group cover. So we can go ahead and use this image right here. If you want to change the image, you can do that also. You just want to go ahead and click over here on the left and then just drag in a new photo right over, and you'll see it automatically changes. But let me go ahead and choose a different template that already has a lot of features. This one only has a picture. So let me go ahead and open that back up. Okay, so this one looks a little bit better. It's going to have more pieces already installed. So customize. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be a better example. So this one already has a lot of these elements already added in. So for example, on this one, we don't need to add in any letters. We can go ahead and simply change this one. So maybe this is a Facebook group about Anthony. We can go ahead and just retype it. And then on the letters, you can go ahead and edit those. So this looks kind of weird. So we're going to go ahead and drop it down. So I'm going to highlight all of those. And then here we can go ahead and decrease the letter size. That way everything fits right into one line, right? That looks better. And then here on the images, so this is just two different images. It's going to be the same thing we talked about earlier. If you want to change this from a house, just go ahead and click over here on upload, and then you can choose a picture you have uploaded already in your Canva. If you want a different picture, you can easily click on upload files and upload it from your computer directly into Canva, and then it'll show up in here. And then let's go ahead and change that house into a different picture. So you just kind of hover over it and you see it just drops right in and it sizes it and everything. And then here we can go ahead and change this. YouTube marketing using a Facebook group. Okay, so that looks good. And then maybe these words are a little far from my name. So you can just hover over the purple box, grab it, and just drag it around wherever you see fit. So maybe we'll put it right here. That looks a little better. And maybe the back color, we don't really like it. So you just kind of hover over it, and you know you're working on the back color when you see this purple box around the whole entire Facebook group cover. And then we can click up here and change the color. So it's kind of like this beige color right now, but maybe we want it as a gray. It looks pretty good. The only thing is the gray doesn't really match up with this yellow. So let me click on this yellow and I'll change that to a different color. Let's say maybe a beige. Yeah, that looks better for me. And I'll do the same thing on this one. Click on the color and change it to a beige. Okay. And then also if there's any kind of elements that you want inside of your Facebook cover, but it's not here, you can easily click over here on elements and then just scroll through and then choose an element that fits for you. So maybe this chart looks pretty cool. So maybe we're talking about, I don't know, maybe traffic. You just kind of grab it and drag it on over. And as you see, okay, so that's covering me and this other image. So you can easily just resize it by clicking on these white dots, and then we'll move it out of the way over here. So maybe that looks pretty cool. So yeah, be sure to play around with the different elements for your group. Let's see here. This one is actually pretty cool too. So this one's called frame. So basically what it is you're going to drop in this, what's like a picture frame basically. So here's a star. We'll just drop it on right here, and then we'll shrink it down, and we can easily just drop in another picture. So go back here to uploads, and we'll grab this picture and just hover over the star. And as you see, it just drops in that format. So it looks pretty good. So once you have your Facebook group cover the way you want it, we're pretty much done, except for we want to go ahead and retitle it here on the top. So I'll put Facebook group cover free. Okay. And then we're going to save it. So we're going to click on share here on the top right. Once you click on share, you want to click on download here on the bottom left. And then you get to choose the file type. So do you want a JPG, a PNG, a PDF? For me, I'm going to leave it at a PNG. And then we're going to click on download. All right. Now it's downloading. Okay. Let me go ahead and open it up. All right. So here is my Facebook group cover. You can see it looks pretty good. Everything that we had added is here listed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make a Facebook group cover, that's the easiest way I know how to do it for free in Canva. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.